like to welcome you to an overview of game audio works by Damian Kastbauer, sound effects wizard and implementation theorist for interactive media. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is iCat. I am a research platform developed by Philips Research Technologies for studying human-robot interaction. I can express a full range of emotions, and Damian has created a corresponding sound to match my responses. Confirmation. Deny. Thinking. Confused. Alarm. Bored. Someday I may be used as an intelligent friend in your home, to assist you with daily tasks, such as environmental adjustments, accessing the internet, email and game playing. On the note of game playing, let me guide you through some other recent projects of Damian. This concludes our presentation. Please contact Damian at lostchocolatelaB.com to discuss the future. Good day.